Hello, and welcome to Focused Attention Meditation. My name is Kiki Hargett, and I will be your guide for this practice. Today, our focus will be on a beautiful houseplant, or any garden plant, or tree, or bush of your choosing. Plants bring the richness of Mother Nature into our homes, gracing our space with elegance and beauty, purifying the air that we breathe. Just nurturing and caring for plants can be therapeutic, lowering blood pressure and reducing stress. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seat in front of the plant of your choosing. You may sit in a chair or on the floor. You can use any props that you like, as long as you're able to sit upright and face your chosen plant. Notice the breath. Inhale naturally and easily through the nose. Exhale naturally and easily through the nose. Allow this gentle ebb and flow of breath begin to wash over you in waves of relaxation. With each exhale, allow the forehead and the scalp to relax. Soften the eyes. Allow the jaw to relax and let the tongue fall gently away from the roof of the mouth. Let the wave wash over your neck, your shoulders, down your arms, into your fingertips. Allow your hands to relax, resting gently upon your thighs. You may choose palms down for grounding and centering, or palms up for acceptance and surrender. Continue to allow the relaxation to wash down your chest, down your abdomen, and down your spine, flowing over your hips and thighs, down your lower legs, your ankles, your feet, and your toes. Feel yourself in your space, grounding through your sits bones, acknowledging the room, allowing yourself to feel the presence of yourself in this room and in your space. With your softened gaze, focus on the plant in front of you. Notice its size, shape, even the ground or pot that holds it. Slowly, inch by inch, taking its form from the base to the very top leaf. Look left to right, from top to bottom. Notice the color of the plant. Is it bright green, soft green? Maybe it has brightly colored leaves or flowers in reds, yellows, or some other vivid and interesting color. Is the color the same tone throughout? Or does it change in the light? From stem to stem, or leaf to leaf? Look to where the plant connects to the soil. Now focus on a single stem, or vine, or spine, or trunk if it's a tree. Follow the path to where it leads, whether it be to a branch, to the needles of a cactus, to a single leaf. Notice the leaf, the shape, the color, the size. Is it glossy and shiny? Is it soft and furry? Is it a single shape? Or does it have many protrusions and fingers spreading out like a star or starfish? Notice the little veins that run through the leaves, where life-giving water courses through, hydrating and giving life. See if you can do this with each stem or vine or spine or trunk of a tree. Allow yourself to melt and be drawn into the individuality of this beautiful green life, taking in each nuance, honoring each cell. See if you notice something you may have missed before. A curled leaf, a sprouting bud, if your mind begins to wander, bring yourself back to the present by focusing on the plant. Slowly and gently bring your awareness back to the room, back to your body, and back to the breath. Inhale deeply and say to yourself, what I am breathing in, this plant is breathing out. Exhale deeply, emptying the lungs and say to yourself, what I am breathing out, this plant is breathing in. Inhale, life. Exhale, life. Inhale, life. Exhale, life. Let's bring our hands together at heart center. Bow to this beautiful green life in front of you, acknowledging and giving thanks that you both are part of this great and wondrous circle of creation. Thank yourself for taking time for your health and well-being. And I thank you for allowing me to be your guide for today's practice. As you go about your day, it is my wish that you are happy, healthy, and blessed. Thank you.